please you can display the Mr. Stephen Hawkins, the great inspiration, an example of the determination. He was born in 1942. He was a Briton and he was in the family of physicians. He got admission in the Oxford University at the age of 17, but at the age of 19 or 21 he was detected with the motor neuron disease, a very typical disease in which gradually the bodily functions starts deteriorating day by day, and the doctors advised him, they gave him a span of maximum up to 2 years to live. But this person was so determined, he continued, because his body was half paralyzed. As you can see, he was most of the life he was just ridden on the wheelchair, but still he started communicating with the twitches and with the different type of languages which he discovered and he learned. He started communicating, and then he achieved marvelous success in the field of cosmology, in the field of quantum physics, in the field of so many physical marvels in this world, and he was awarded with the greatest award in the United States. He was the one who was given, he was ranked 25th among the top 100 Britons by BBC. So this is what he could achieve, amazing contribution to the humanity, and he lived for more than 75 years, whereas he was diagnosed and he was told maximum 3 years. So this all happened because of his strong willpower and determination. So determination is the root cause of success.